How to include package data with Setuptools/Distutils. When using Setuptools, I cannot get the installer to pull in any package_data files. Everything I've read says that the following is the correct way to do it. Can someone please advise? Where myapp/data/ is the location of the data files.
I realize that this is an old question, but for people finding their way here via Google, package_data is a low-down, dirty lie. It is only used when building binary packages, Python setup.py dist ... but not when building source packages, Python setup.py dist ... This is, of course, ridiculous. One would expect that building a source distribution would result in a collection of files that could be sent to someone else to build the binary distribution. In any case, using manifest.in will work both for binary and for source distributions.
I just had the same issue. The solution was simply to remove include_package_data equals true. After reading here, I realized that include_package_data aims to include files from version control, as opposed to merely include package data, as the name implies, from the docs. The data files of include_package_data must be under CVS or subversion control. If you want finer-grained control over what files are included, for example, if you have documentation files in your package directories and want to exclude them from installation, then you can also use the package_data keyword. Taking that argument out fixed it, which is coincidentally why it also worked when you switched to Distutils, since it doesn't take that argument.
Following at Joe's recommendation to remove the include_package_data equals true line also worked for me. To elaborate a bit more, I have no manifest.in file. I use Git and not CVS. Repository takes this kind of shape. Setup.py. I run Python setup.py dist for a source distrib, haven't tried binary. And when inside of a brand new virtual environment, I have a myproject for .19.tar.gz file. And I use. And other than everything getting installed to my virtual environment site packages, those special data files get installed too. And
include_package_data equals true worked for me. If you use Git, remember to include Setuptools Git in install_requires. Far less boring than having a manifest or including all path and package_data. In my case, it's a Django app with all kind of statics. Paste to the comment I made, as K3RNC mentioned it's actually helpful as is.
Using setup.cfg, Setuptools greater than or equal to 30.3.0. Starting with Setuptools 30.3.0, released December 8, 2016, you can keep your setup.py very small and move the configuration to a setup.cfg file. With this approach, you could put your package data in an options.package_data section. In this case, your setup.py can be as short as For more information, see configuring setup using setup.cfg files. There is some talk of deprecating setup.cfg in favor of pyproject.toml as proposed in PEP 518, but this is still provisional as of February 21, 2020.